Hello and welcome back to another chapter of Design Diaries. So we keep getting the question is what and how to place the dishwasher. Here we have come up with a very innovative solution where we have placed the dishwasher and blended it with the whole kitchen aesthetic and raised the countertop. So you can efficiently wash your dishes here and place them right next. Keep following us for more such design tips and tricks. Thank you.